Hi guys, Mrs. Novello here in the Expressive Arts Room, and today we're going to make a pattern and pin it to our pillow fabric. Yay! Okay, so we're all excited. We've been waiting for this. You're going to get a section of newspaper, and when you get your section of newspaper, you are going to open it up like this, so it's lengthwise. Then you're going to get a second sheet of newspaper from that section, and you're going to open it up as well. This middle fold that you see here is where you're going to overlap these two pieces of paper. So what I mean is, I'm going to shift this down a little bit. I see this fold here. I'm going to lay the second piece of newspaper, the top edge of it, and line it up to that fold so that it's overlapping and it's nice and long. Then I'm simply just going to take some masking tape and tape those together so that they stay. And I'm going to flip it over to the other side and tape those two ends together so that they stay. All right, for now, I'm going to set my pattern aside. Come back to that later. Then what you're going to do is you're going to prep your fabric, your pillow fabric. So when you unfold your pillow fabric, it'll be one big section. And what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to fold it in half, corner to corner. And once you fold it in half, corner to corner, you'll take a pair of scissors, and I'm just holding it along the fold, and I'm applying pressure, and I'm simply going to cut that along the fold in half so that I have two equal sized pieces of fabric. All right, so we want to stack those as best as we can, restack them corner to corner. Remember, when we stack them, the pattern side is touching, so the bright color is on the inside of both sides, and the outside layer is the faded. Okay, so now it's time for pinning the pattern, and that's where your problem solving is going to be coming in handy, because you might have prepared a pattern that is slightly bigger than your fabric, and like this one. So if that's the case, the rule of thumb is to have a 2-inch perimeter border. So down here you can see I have just about 2 inches on my perimeter edge. So I had to fold my pattern to get it to that size. Now I'm going to fold this side so that I have a 2-inch perimeter border. And this side has a 2-inch perimeter border. So you may have to modify your pattern so that it fits within your fabric, and so that you are able to have a 2-inch perimeter border on all sides. Now, to make sure that this stays, I'm just going to add a few pieces of tape so that it doesn't unfold while I'm sewing or pinning those important steps. All right, so once I've centered my fabric, I have 2 inches all the way around. Now I'm going to pin my pattern to both layers of fabric like we always have, 2 inches apart. So I'm going to pick up my fabric right here. I'm going to get a short push pin or a short pin, and I'm going to pin every 2 inches all the way around.